Most people think these YouTube channels posting highly edited shorts use advanced editing skills. But the truth is, they're using AI. And today, we'll create the same kind of shorts without opening any editor until the video is already done. Let me show you exactly how. Before opening any AI video tool, I always start with a prompt. So just go to ChatGPT. Here, I'm describing the scene clearly, what the camera sees, the mood, and the action. I asked ChatGPT to write a short, detailed AI video prompt for a vertical horror short. And don't worry, I've added a huge number of video prompts in the description so you can directly take them and start creating your own videos. Now just hit generate. ChatGPT starts generating. This is exactly what I need. Once the idea is clear in text form, we move to video generation. Now, just click on the link in the description and you'll land on the DreamVid AI website. DreamVid AI is an all-in-one AI video generator that converts simple text prompts into short videos. To start, hit the login button and continue with Google or email. And now you're on the DreamVid AI dashboard. Inside the dashboard, I go to the AI video section and choose text to video. This is where the prompt turns into an actual video. First, I select a video model. There are multiple options here, and you can experiment later. For now, I'm choosing Sora 2, which works really well for cinematic short videos. Next, I paste the exact prompt we created in ChatGPT. No changes, just copy and paste. Now this part is very important. Since we're creating shorts, I switch the aspect ratio to 9:16. I keep the duration at 10 seconds and leave the resolution as it is. It's short, punchy, and perfect for looping. And finally, I select the desired number of outputs. Once everything looks good, I click Create. And just like that, the video is ready.
This filter is weird.
Stop smiling.
It should stop at 5.
Come out and play.
You can see the video is looking really cool and ready to post anywhere. Now don't stop at just one result. What I do instead is keep the same setup. I'm not changing the video model or the workflow, I'm just refining the idea. So I copy the next prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. And look at the result.
Why do you look different?
I'm already here.
Again, I paste the next prompt and generate once more. And here's another result.
Hello? Why are you in my house?
Mom, open the door! Please let me in! Mom, I'm trying! Hurry! Oh God, I can't!
Guess I still break records.
Excuse me, quick question. Do you realize you're both AI?
What? No, that's funny.
Okay, we're good, thanks.
Max? What the?
Exploding.
Yeah.
Interview terminated. Simulated subjects detected.
Now you have multiple shorts ready to post. Inside DreamVid, you'll also find other AI features. You can turn images into videos, extend existing clips, apply video effects, and explore different styles. So that's how these shorts are actually created. If you want to try this yourself, just click the link in the description. And for cinematic film creation, watch the video on the left. For the realistic singing video, watch the video on the right. See you in the next video.